The Tuscan Voyage. Chapter 5. The Art and Culture of Tuscany Visiting Museums. There is no better way to immerse yourself in the rich art and culture of Tuscany than by visiting its many museums. From world-renowned institutions to hidden gems, Tuscany's museums offer something for everyone. One of the most famous museums in Tuscany is the Uffizi Gallery in Florence. This vast museum houses a collection of masterpieces from the Renaissance period, including works by Michelangelo, Raphael, and Botticelli. Another must-see is the Uffizi Gallery, also in Florence, which is home to Michelangelo's iconic statue of David. Beyond Florence, Tuscany is dotted with numerous other museums that showcase the region's artistic heritage. The Siena Art Gallery houses a collection of Sienese paintings from the 13th to the 16th centuries. The Palazzo Pitti in Florence is home to the Gallery of Modern Art, which features works by Italian and international artists from the 19th and 20th centuries. And the Museo di San Marco in Florence is dedicated to the works of the Dominican friar and painter Fra Angelico. In addition to these major museums, Tuscany is also home to many smaller museums that focus on specific artists or art movements. For example, the Museo Civico di Arezzo houses a collection of Etruscan and Roman artifacts, as well as works by local artists. The Museo Marino Marini in Pistoia is dedicated to the works of the Italian sculptor Marino Marini. And the Museo di Palazzo de Vanzotti in Florence offers a glimpse into the life of a wealthy Florentine family in the 14th century. No matter your interests, you are sure to find a museum in Tuscany that will captivate and inspire you. So take some time to explore these treasure troves of art and culture and discover the rich heritage of this extraordinary region. Chapter 5. The Art and Culture of Tuscany. Admiring Architecture. In Tuscany, architecture is not merely a collection of buildings. It is an art form that tells the story of the region's rich history and culture. From the ancient Etruscan ruins to the Renaissance masterpieces, Tuscany's architectural heritage is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of its people. One of the most iconic examples of Tuscan architecture is the Duomo of Florence, a magnificent cathedral that dominates the city's skyline. With its soaring dome, intricate carvings, and colorful frescoes, the Duomo is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and a symbol of Florence's power and wealth. Another architectural highlight of Tuscany is the Uffizi Gallery, a world-renowned art museum housed in a former palace. The Uffizi is home to an impressive collection of Renaissance paintings, including works by Michelangelo, Raphael, and Botticelli. The gallery's architecture is just as impressive as its collection, with its long corridors, vaulted ceilings, and elegant courtyards. Beyond Florence, Tuscany is dotted with countless other architectural gems. The medieval, hilltop town of Siena is home to the Piazza del Campo, a stunning square that is considered one of the most beautiful public spaces in the world. The city of Pisa is famous for its Leaning Tower, a remarkable feat of engineering that has become one of the most recognizable landmarks in Italy. Tuscany's architecture is not limited to grand cathedrals and museums. The region is also home to many charming villages and towns, each with its own unique architectural style. From the stone houses of the Chianti region to the colorful facades of the Cinque Terre, Tuscany's architecture is as diverse as its landscape. Exploring Tuscany's architecture is a journey through time and space. From the ancient ruins to the Renaissance masterpieces, Tuscany's buildings tell the story of a region that has been at the forefront of culture and innovation for centuries. Whether you are an art lover, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, Tuscany's architecture is sure to leave you in awe. Chapter 5. The Art and Culture of Tuscany, Attending Concerts and Festivals. Tuscany is renowned for its vibrant arts and culture scene, and attending concerts and festivals is a wonderful way to immerse yourself in the region's rich musical and cultural heritage. From classical concerts in historic piazzas to lively music festivals in the countryside, there is something for everyone to enjoy. One of the highlights of Tuscany's musical calendar is the annual Maggio Musicale Fiorentino, a month-long festival held in Florence. This prestigious festival features a wide range of performances, including opera, ballet, and classical music concerts. Another popular event is the Puccini Festival, held in the composer's birthplace of Lucca. This festival showcases Puccini's operas in stunning outdoor settings, such as the Piazza dell'Anfiteatro. Beyond these major festivals, there are numerous smaller concerts and music events held throughout Tuscany throughout the year. These events often feature local musicians and traditional Tuscan music, providing the unique opportunity to experience the region's authentic musical culture. In addition to music festivals, Tuscany is also home to a variety of cultural festivals that celebrate the region's art, food, and traditions. These festivals offer a chance to sample local cuisine, browse artisan crafts, and learn about Tuscan history and culture. Some of the most popular cultural festivals in Tuscany include the Festa del Palio in Siena, a horse race that dates back to the Middle Ages; the Festa del Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, which celebrates the region's famous wine; and the Festa della Befana in Florence, a festival that marks the arrival of the Three Kings. Whether you are a lover of music, art, or culture, attending concerts and festivals in Tuscany is a fantastic way to experience the region's rich heritage and vibrant contemporary scene. Chapter 5. The Art and Culture of Tuscany, Exploring Art Galleries. Tuscany is a region with a rich artistic heritage, and its art galleries offer a glimpse into the creative spirit that has flourished here for centuries. From the Uffizi Gallery in Florence, with its world-renowned collection of Renaissance masterpieces, to the smaller galleries nestled in the hilltop towns, there is something for every art enthusiast to discover. One of the highlights of any visit to Tuscany is a trip to the Uffizi Gallery. This vast museum houses works by some of the greatest artists of all time, including Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci. The collection spans centuries, from the early Renaissance to the Baroque period, and includes paintings, sculptures, and drawings. Visitors can admire the delicate beauty of Botticelli's Birth of Venus or marvel at the power and majesty of Michelangelo's David. Beyond the Uffizi, there are many other art galleries in Tuscany that are worth exploring. The Accademia Gallery in Florence is home to Michelangelo's Pieta, a heart-wrenching sculpture that captures the grief of Mary as she holds the body of her dead son. The Palazzo Pitti in Florence houses the Gallery of Modern Art, with works by Italian and international artists from the 19th and 20th centuries. In the smaller towns and villages of Tuscany, visitors can find charming art galleries that showcase the work of local artists. These galleries often feature paintings, sculptures, ceramics, and other crafts that reflect the unique character of the region. Whether you are an art aficionado or simply appreciate beautiful things, you are sure to find something to admire in the art galleries of Tuscany. Strolling through the art galleries of Tuscany is a journey through time and space. It is a chance to encounter the creative genius of some of the greatest artists in history and to appreciate the beauty and diversity of the Tuscan artistic tradition. Chapter 5. The art and culture of Tuscany, discovering local crafts. From the intricate mosaics of Florence to the hand-painted ceramics of Montelupo, Tuscany is a treasure trove of traditional crafts. In this chapter, we will explore some of the most popular local crafts and discover the artisans who keep these traditions alive. The art of Florentine mosaics. The art of Florentine mosaics dates back to the 13th century, when artisans began using small pieces of colored stone, glass, and ceramic to create intricate designs. These mosaics can be found in churches, palaces, and other public buildings throughout Tuscany. One of the most famous examples is the mosaic floor of the Florence Duomo, which depicts scenes from the Old Testament. The ceramics of Montelupo. The town of Montelupo, Fiorentino, has been producing ceramics since the 14th century. The local clay is particularly well suited for making pottery, and the town's artisans have developed a distinctive style that is characterized by its vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Montelupo ceramics are prized by collectors around the world. The leather goods of Florence. Florence is also known for its leather goods, which are made from high-quality Tuscan leather. Florentine artisans use traditional techniques to create a variety of products, including handbags, shoes, wallets, and belts. The leather goods from Florence are renowned for their durability and timeless style. The straw crafts of Tuscany. Tuscany is also home to a number of straw crafts. In the town of Signa, artisans use straw to create a variety of products, including hats, baskets, and furniture. Straw crafts are also popular in the Chianti region, where artisans use straw to make colorful ornaments and decorations. The metalwork of Siena. The city of Siena has a long tradition of metalworking. Local artisans use a variety of metals, including gold, silver, and iron, to create a variety of products, including jewelry, sculptures, and decorative objects. Siena is particularly known for its goldsmithing, and the city's goldsmiths have created some of the most beautiful jewelry in the world. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale De Marco. Download the ebook now.